Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So Perplexity AI superpower is real-time web search. Unlike any traditional chatbots that rely on training data that might be months or years old, Perplexity can go out and fetch the latest information from the internet. But what happens when that stops working? You ask a question about today's news, and Perplexity gives you an answer from 2023, for example. That's a whole 3-year difference. You ask for current stock prices, and it tells you it doesn't have live data. So it specifically asks it to search the web, and it just responds from any internal knowledge. So the good news is that web search not working is almost always a settings issue, not a bug, and the fix is usually as simple as flipping a switch. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix this issue or the web search not working in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So according to Perplexity's official guide, the web switch may appear enabled but actually be inactive or inactive due basically to the session caching or interference glitches. The fix is looking for the web toggle button to the right of the search box. If it's gray or inactive, click it once, it should turn blue or green. Then test with the time. Basically question like what were the major news headlines on March 30, 2026. Check if the response shows search the web just now at the top, or it will show that basically it's getting the internal answers. And that's the whole idea, just make sure you put the right question so you can get the right answer. That's the whole idea, as I said. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.